I would say for future demoists that are thinking of applying, it's a really great event. You definitely do have to put the work in to make it go well, but it's a great audience if you're looking to connect with banks, credit unions, financial services organizations of all types.
We've gotten what we needed and wanted, and then some from the conference. So my advice is just plan. Don't just show up and think that magic will happen.
If you're looking for an investment, this is the event for you, because there are a lot of VCs here, there are a lot of demo opportunities here. But on the other hand, if you're looking to be part of a community, fast-growing community and a very strong community, fintech community, this is the event for you too.
I'd say it's the place to be for up-and-coming technology for the financial industry. It's whether you're a startup or a large company, if you have something that's innovative and meets the need of today, you really need to be here to, talk to the community.
Even though you're on stage for only 7 minutes, the forcing function to have that concise message is something that you're able to take with you for the next year and a half in order to help with sales, help with VC pitches, help explain to your parents what the heck you do. All of it's really good.